Si slancia nel cielo le guglie dentate, il cielo non sorge le verdi vallate, rovo puro bianco di gine le rose, sono violenzo di vivi di fior, rosseggianti su coste selvose, dolce festa di vari colori.
After 20 years, the all-male Italian choir Corro Maddalene is back in Cebu to perform in Serenata Italia 2, together again for a cause, this February 2019. The choir has been established in northern Italy since 1969 with 35 members and are known for their soft and slow a cappella performances.
They are from the mountain area of Italy, in Trento in particular, and they will be serenading us with Italian folk songs.
Corro Maddalene holds up to its tradition of keeping folk songs for the future generations and has been continuing to do so for over 50 years.
It would allow us also as Filipinos to see the culture, of the Italian people, as well as to appreciate the Italian music.
The choir first came to Cebu to help raise funds for the building of the Tabor Hills Retreat House 20 years ago.
This time they're here because they wanted also to help us in the ongoing construction of our Tabor Hill College building as well as seminary.
The upcoming building is already being constructed and is scheduled for its blessing this August. Other than the Corro Maddalene, Cebu's very own Pilita Corrales is also coming to perform in Serenata Italia.
We're also very happy that this concert is coming February 22. That's a Friday. We'll be joined by no other than the Queen of Asia song, Miss Pilita Corrales. And we thank her for availability and also for letting herself be free to join us in that fundraising concert. But we have more, and we have surprises for this coming Friday concert. We have other stars will be guesting also in our concerts.
Tickets for the concert come in 1,000, 800, and 500 peso denominations, available in the Tabor Hills office, Big Hotel, and Waterfront Hotel.
To those who are watching and listening to us, we are inviting you to join us this coming February 22, that is a Friday, for this concert for a cause entitled Serenata Italia 2, Together Again for a Cause. This would be in view, in help of our ongoing construction project of Tabor Hill College Building and Seminary. And we are counting on your support, on your generosity and participation. Hope to see you there this coming Friday.
Be serenaded with soulful music for a cause in Serenata Italia. For MyTV Cebu, this has been Ryan Guzman.